This tutorial covers converting image to vector and making it as a Canva frames. Stay with me cause after this video, you can do your own custom Canva frames for free. Create your own Canva frames using the Figma method only, and what's best about it is it's easy and free 100%. First, go to figma.com or click the link in the description below. Click Get Started for free. You may choose email or by connecting your Google account. I'll just type in my email and password, then create account. Click Open Gmail to verify email address. Find the email from Figma and click Verify Email. This will take us to a new tab to be able to use Figma. You can either type your name or leave it as it is. Doesn't matter what you choose here, so just choose anything you want. Just skip this collaboration part. After that, it will make you choose a plan. We only need starter plan for us to make our own Canva frames. Hit Continue. You can skip or just choose Design with Figma. If you choose Skip, then this is what the home page looks like. Go over here and choose New Design File. Just close this window. Now we are on the second part. So we need to use a plugin called Tracer. There are 4 ways to open plugins. First is by clicking the F logo here at the top left corner. Click Plugins and choose Manage Plugins. Type Tracer. Second way of getting to plugins is by going below this icons and choose the second to the last one, Actions icon, and type Tracer. Third is by pressing Ctrl+P on your keyboard. As you can see, my keystrokes will pop up on your screen. Look for Tracer. Last one is by right-clicking. Go to Plugins and choose Manage Plugins and type Tracer. So now that we know how to show plugins, let's set up Tracer by clicking on it. Click Run, then hit Open. This will open Tracer plugin, and you can go ahead and start, but if you are going to use this more than 3 times, you will need a free license, because you only have 3 credits without the free license. To get the free license, click the License tab, then click Need a License button. This will redirect us to Gumroad. Again, as promised, these are all free. You don't need to pay anything. Click this. Donating is optional, but for now, I'll put 0 and add to cart. Type your email to get the license key. Again, just type 0 and click Get. You are going to this for one time only, and you can use this license key to any account you want. We now have a license key. Click Copy. Then go back to Figma to paste. Click Activate Key. Go back to Trace Image tab. Click Let's Get Started. We need image to convert to vector. For this video, I'm using this paw print to vectorize. Drag and drop your image to Figma, or you can copy and paste it. Choose the layer that you want to convert. There's 2 options, simple and detailed. For now, let's use simple and let magic happen. It will create another layer, which is vectorized version of your image. Click Vector and go to Fill. Choose the image icon. Go to Export, and don't forget to change it to PDF. Export vector. It should be in your files, so just extract it. Go over to Canva and have a blank page. Click on Projects, drag and drop your image. Click on the PDF file, click your frame and delete the top layer to reveal the frame. Just drag and drop any image you want. You can also change the background. But what if you want your frames separately? Let me show you what I mean. Go back to Figma, and this time we will use another plugin called Split Vectors, but without the license thing. Go ahead and right-click your image. Plugins. Choose Manage Plugins and type Split Vectors. Click it and click Run and choose Fills. Now we have 5 separate frames. I'm going to ungroup them just to show you that it's already separated. I'll group them again. On our left side, we have Files tab where we can see our layers and pages. Let's rename it to Paw Print Frame. Click Export and don't forget to change it to PDF, then Export. Again, just extract the folder. In my case, it went to Traced folder. Back to Canva. Upload it to Projects and delete top layer one by one and drag any images you want, like so. Grouping them makes it easier for you to drag and resize while keeping its original position. Copy and paste it or cut it to add it to your design, like what I'm doing now. Resize or rotate it by double-clicking on the frame that you want to adjust. Let's use it for something more advanced. Mockups nowadays are helpful to visualize designs easier. Canva has a lot of photos to choose from. I'll choose this iPad with hands. Let me resize it first before exporting. Go back to Figma. But before we do that, I want to change the theme by going to F Logo, Preferences, click Theme, and choose what you want. We can also change the background color of our design page by changing it here. I'll drag the mockup image. Hold Ctrl while scrolling your mouse wheel to zoomed in and out. Pan around the screen by pressing space while clicking and dragging the screen. Add another page to make it organize. Same process, right-click on image. Click Plugins. Click Tracer. There's two options, simple and detailed. I'm going to do both of them to see which one is better. By looking at them side by side, I know I will choose the detailed one. Also, if you notice here, the lines is not that clean. Well, you can fix it manually by double-clicking them and delete or move the points to fix. Going to our detailed vector, deleting all the unnecessary by double-clicking and selecting them, and hit delete since we just need this screen right here. Or by using Split Vectors plugin and ungrouping them. Go to Fill and change it to Image. Double-click to rename. It will be handy if you have a lot of files. Export it as PDF. Again, just extract it as before and drag it to Canva. Go to Projects, but don't forget to add a new page first before clicking your file. See that? It will overwrite your design. Delete the top layer, copy and paste it to our mockup. Adjust the frame until it looks good. Now we have our own mockup. Adjust it by double-clicking on the image. If you don't want an image, you can use color. Replace the image just by drag and dropping images. Add text if you want. Keep watching because I have another tips for creating your own frame. We have here a heart puzzle piece from Canva. Look at these Canva frames. It's really limited, so might as well make one on our own. I'll show you later why color of image is important. Download the image as JPEG or PNG. Then back to Figma. Tracer plugin is already open since we used it earlier. You may select more than one image to convert. Let's try that. We have two images and just select both of them and let magic happen. This will save time when you have more than one image. This is what I'm talking about earlier on why colors will matter. Since the color is light, it can't be traced properly. Go back to Canva and change the colors to something darker. Select your image and click Restart. I want this in separate frames, so let's use Split Vectors. Don't forget to select and group them before exporting. If you want to save time selecting them, select all the vectors and drag them at the very top. Delete the square shapes. Now you can drag them all at once, then group. Rename them to keep files organized. Select them and change the fill to image. Then export as PDF. Repeat the process. If you have questions, comment down below. Watch as we use these frames. No faster workaround, so just delete it one by one. This is my last tip, and we are about to end this video. What if you want it to change into just one frame when you already split them? It's either you trace them again or just go here, click the 3 dots and choose Union Selection. I'll show you that they're now as one. Side by side for comparison. I hope now that you finished the video, you'll be able to create your own Canva frames. Before you leave, hit like and subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss anything. And as always, stay curious. Thanks for watching.